Construction of Phase 2 of the Lesotho Highlands Water Project, the Polihali Dam, set to be built in Mokhotlong Lesotho, will lead to the resettling of about 200 residents. The project has now appointed consultants to undertake environmental and social impact assessments, and they've already started work with communities there.
Any visitor to a village in Lesotho must first report to the chief, even those running multi-billion rand projects.
The policy guides us to improve the lives of the people affected by the project. That is what we aspire to do as the project, or what we intend to do.
A total of 534 households in 17 villages with over 2,500 people will be affected. 5 villages, more than 200 households will be underwater when the dam is impounded. They will have to be resettled with their livestock and even their graves.
One of the traditions in Lesotho is that women are not allowed to go near a graveyard without headgear. So now I have to wear this headgear to show respect before I enter this area. And here then I will talk to the elders.
I want my wife and parents' graves to be moved to where I will be resettled.
During Phase 1, some rural people were moved to urban areas, a huge adjustment for them. Migrant male workers also left women with fatherless children after cohabiting with them temporarily. All parties agree that this should not be repeated.
We need to involve the people. We need to take the people along, and we have to listen and talk to the NGOs.
We saw how much those who relocated to urban areas were suffering. We want our people to remain here.
We are already talking to our women and girls to empower them to not fall prey to the workers.
The labor recruitment guidelines that we are currently drafting address that issue, whereby we say women should have equal rights in terms of employment as men.
Now we are saying government should play its part, and its part is simple. Create the environment, which means create the infrastructure, create the enabling legislative and policy framework, and step out of the way.
But NGOs claim the project has not been transparent, and they are watching closely.
We are established to litigate on behalf of the affected communities, and if we feel that they are marginalized, we will have no option but to take the legal route.
10 years from now, this rugged terrain will have masses of water everywhere, including tarred roads, power lines, street lights, and modern houses.
Where I'm standing now is where on the 27th of March 2014, His Majesty King Letsie III and President Jacob Zuma stood right there and opened a plaque to inaugurate the project. There's already a tail pond that is measuring the amount of water that's going past. And on my right will be the dam wall itself that will stand at about 180 meters high. And this is Polihali Dam. Ntakwana Ngatani, SABC News.